this is our new little birdie. Isn't she cute? She doesn't have a name yet. And now I'm picking out toys. Well, actually, I'm helping her pick out toys because I shouldn't pick out her toys. Isn't she cute?
Hey, she's got the same coat on you.
Isn't she cute?
Yep.
So anyway, now we have to find some toys. My marsupial pouch.
There you go.
Yeah, well, it's just stay there.
That works.
What was this now?
Down. We put her in a stall.
Yes. Yes, she's like happy girl now.
You know, she's just like, you know,
Hey, I know what I want for Christmas.
Yeah, I know what you want for Christmas.